In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a social media content planner in Notion in just 5 minutes. Whether you're creating content for personal use or managing it for a business, a well-organized planner can drastically improve your workflow and productivity. Let's dive right in and get started with this simple yet effective setup. First off, open up Notion and let's create a new page. You can do this by clicking on the plus icon in your sidebar, which will pop up a blank canvas ready for us to turn into a powerful planning tool. Once your new page is open, take a moment to give it a meaningful name. In this case, we are going to name it Social Media Planner. Clear titling is essential, as it makes it easier for you to navigate through your workspace, especially when you have multiple pages for different projects. Now that we have our page set up, it's time to choose a layout that suits our needs. Click on the plus icon again, and this time, select the table view. Tables in Notion are versatile and offer an excellent way to manage content, as they allow you to input and categorize data efficiently. This will serve as the foundation of our content database, where we can store all the information we need for planning our social media posts. The next step is crucial: setting up the core columns in your table. These columns will help organize your ideas and keep everything in one place. Start by adding columns such as content title, platform, publish date, and status. Each column should be relevant to the tasks or information you need to track. For example, under the platform column, you can specify whether the post is for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media platform you use. The status column can be used to track whether a post is in draft, scheduled, or published status. Tailoring these columns to your specific needs will help streamline your planning process. Once your columns are in place, it's time to enhance your planner even further by creating multiple views. Different views will give you the flexibility to visualize your content from various angles, offering a more comprehensive overview of your tasks. You can switch between a calendar view to see when each post is going out, a Kanban view to manage the status of each piece of content, or maintain the table view for quick editing and updates. Having these multiple views makes it easy to pivot your strategy should your plans or priorities change. By following these steps, you've set up a personalized social media content planner that can be expanded as your needs grow. You'll find that Notion's flexibility and customization options bring a lot of efficiency to your planning process, ensuring that every brilliant idea and important deadline is captured in one cohesive system.